Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah. B, me hear you, you know. You say you're expecting, but you never tell me say you order nothing for Amazon. B, me hear what you say, you know. You say you miss your cycle, but me never know say you did a recycle. B, me hear you, you know. You say your time of the month never come, but how you know say a year time of the month fi come now?
Epicflows.
Well, you tell me say I feel me look up pitney. Me broke like dog, can't even buy a chimney. Shoulda got a boots dog, me shoulda wear a Jimmy. But me ask you something, you sure it's not for me? I thought I told you that the comet was coming. I thought I told you that the comet was coming. I thought I told you that the comet was coming. I thought I told you that the comet was coming. Why you never get up off of me? I thought I told you. I thought I told you that the comet was coming.
World daddy.
I thought I told you that the comet was coming.
World daddy.
Girl, why you make me coming at you? Me the broke, but now me I go broke worse. Shoulda broke a back, but me broke inna the nurse. Now me I go need a nurse. Or me might dead for hungry, so me I go need a hearse. Somebody check my nerves.
It's Epicflows, yeah.
Epicflows production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash, big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.